So yeah, you don't have to be for cyber, you don't have to be a coder. I remember there was this huge debate online about, oh, you have to know code in order to be a cybersecurity person. Not true. There's so many different branches is it better if you know? Yeah, absolutely. It's better if you know how to code. I'll say if you want to be in the cyber, you I would say you have to know command line. You have to be able to be comfortable on the command line, which is easy for you to go ahead and do and mess around with it. I would say you need to know Linux a bit because you're not more than likely you won't only be on Windows. At some point in your career, you will be exposed to another operating system, and most of them are variants of Unix or Linux. And so if you know some Linux, it's going to help you out a lot. I would argue that if you're a cybersecurity professional, you're going to have to know Linux. You're going to have to, a little bit. You don't have to be a Linux pro or anything. You need to be comfortable in the command line because at some point you're going to have to mess around with the command line. I would say you don't have to be a coder, but knowing logic would help you out a bit because every now and then you have to do queries. You don't even have to know SQL or something, but you knowing basic querying, basic logic, like if then and or statements and stuff like that is going to help you out. I would say that you need to know that. I would say you need to know networking, but basic networking. Like you need to know what an IP address is. The difference between a publicly available IP and a private IP, you would have to know that. There's some things you're going to have to know, but coding, you don't have to know C+, you don't have to know Java, you don't have to, unless that came with the job. Let me see here. A lot of us, Codez says, a lot of us just build without security in mind. Yeah. Yep, absolutely. Where else can we watch you on stream? If not TikTok, and join. I'm on YouTube. I'm on ConvoCourses on all platforms. So YouTube is probably the best one, the most active. I am starting a community, so you can join us there. We talk a little bit more, and that one's starting to grow momentum. But the main place right now, I would say, will be YouTube, and just go type in ConvoCourses. You'll find me there. You'll find our whole community there, and then we'll just chit chat about GRC stuff and more. We've been talking more about cloud. Now I've got a cloud position. I'll be talking more about that. So it's pretty cool.